Hello again! So today, many cryptocurrency investors are ecstatic by crypto mining since you are rewarded with crypto tokens for your efforts. This may be due to the fact that, like the California gold miners of 1849, speculators today perceive mining as a source of pennies from heaven. So let's go over some of the best ways to mine crypto. Okay, so you may or may not already know, you can earn cryptocurrencies for free by participating in cryptocurrency mining operations. And to be successful in the mining industry, you must be able to solve difficult mathematical issues. Miners are paid a tiny fee for solving each difficult equation, and blockchain transactions can only be validated through mining. As a result of completing blocks containing validated transactions, miners will earn cryptocurrencies. So, as you can see, the main goal of mining is to validate and verify transactions and ensure their legitimacy, and so to be rewarded in crypto, of course. Mining from home, cheaper options. So it takes a lot of money to mine cryptocurrencies. It involves the purchasing of pricey GPUs, or ASICs, the layout of them, and the buying of other electronic parts. But some cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, don't require as much computational power. Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. Due to its pricing, Ethereum is now the most profitable cryptocurrency to mine, and it is far easier and faster to mine than Bitcoin. You'll need a graphics processing unit, or GPU, in order to mine Ethereum properly. Currently, mining one Ethereum token may net you roughly $3,000, but the process is still lengthy. A single Ethereum currency is mined on an average of 63 days, or little over 2 months. The cryptocurrency Ethereum Classic is easy to mine at home. ETHERERUM is used for mining, and it uses a mining algorithm that is slightly different than Ethereum's. The contracts and decentralized apps are both enabled, thus it's a really useful tool. LITECOIN. While mining LITECOIN, ASIC chips are necessary, since LITECOIN mining is built upon that script protocol, which eliminates any need to invest in them. Mining using a GPU is strongly recommended because it requires a lot of RAM. Because Litecoin is less unstable than many other cryptocurrencies, it is a good candidate for mining. Zcash. This is a wonderful option for miners to get started with. Joining mining pools is a simple way to increase your payouts, and shielded coinbases allow miners to protect their Zcash. As a result, miners are able to send their mining earnings directly to a wallet address of their choice. MONERO. Definitely one of the simplest cryptocurrencies to mine on a personal computer is MONERO, or XMR. MONERO is among the few coins that can be mined without a large investment of time and resources, and as the XMR's value rises, so will your earnings. DOGECOIN. Also, DOGECOIN, like Litecoin, mines using the script algorithm. This helps to level the playing field in the mining industry. So the fact that it can't be mined on a gaming laptop is obvious. Cloud mining. So now we have cloud mining, which is pretty awesome. You can mine cryptocurrencies without even lifting a finger thanks to cloud mining. Definitely one of the most popular methods of mining. What you do is, you pay a company, usually a large business, a fixed sum, and then you are able to quote-unquote rent out their mining machine, which is termed a rig, and the actual mining operation. All profits generated by the mining equipment are sent to your crypto wallet for the term of this rental agreement. There's usually a free option and also a paid option, and a lot of the organizations that provide cloud mining services usually have access to large mining facilities with several farms, hundreds or thousands of machines linked together and working as a single unit, and they should be well versed in mining cryptocurrencies. Cloud mining has grown in popularity because it allows those who don't have the funds to purchase their own mining rigs or who aren't really interested in owning one to join the world of cryptocurrencies. Next up, we have CPU mining. So computer processors are used in CPU mining, and this used to be a suitable option for mining cryptocurrencies, but these days, it's becoming less and less popular. CPU mining is a very slow process. You may go months without recognizing even the tiniest bit of money coming in. It's not worth it, because you make so little money, but you spend 10 times as much on power and cooling as if you were working in an office. But anyone with a desktop PC can CPU mine. CPU mining requires nothing more than a PC and a few apps. It's feasible, but not recommended, to use a laptop for this purpose. And maybe in a matter of a few hours, your laptop is likely to overheat and burn out. Every day, fresh new CPU miners are drawn to CPU mining because it is so simple to get started. They just want to get started as soon as they can, and in any way imaginable, and don't care about the nitty-gritty details. GPU mining. In terms of cryptocurrency mining, graphics card or GPU mining is perhaps the most well-known and often used approach. If you type cryptocurrency mining into a search engine, GPU rigs are likely to be among the results. GPU rigs are used by cloud miners. Then there's the fact that they're professionals with hundreds or thousands of rigs at their disposal, so it's likely that they know what they're doing. GPU mining has grown in popularity due to the fact that it is both effective and reasonably priced. Without a doubt, GPU mining rigs are expensive to build, but the high hash rate and large workforce make them well worth it. Only thing is GPU mining rigs that are well built and work well are typically priced pretty high. But if you're looking for a quick return on your money, this is the way to go. ASIC mining. ASIC's application-specific integrated circuits are absolutely amazing specialized devices that are designed to do a specific purpose. When compared to the GPU and CPU of its competitors, ASICs create astronomical quantities of cryptocurrency and are obviously highly sought out for. But actually, they're a hot-button topic of debate. When the ASIC business unveiled its upgraded version of the device, it made such a sensation in the crypto industry. People are calling for an official ban on these devices. Mostly because it's impossible for miners using GPUs or CPUs to keep up with ASICs, which are so powerful, since ASICs are so much faster and more profitable. When it comes to some cryptocurrency markets, ASICs have had an enormous impact. But for the most part, GPUs and cloud mining appear to be the most popular methods of mining, and the advantage of ASIC mining over CPU mining is that it is much more rapid and less laborious. Therefore, it is best to use a GPU to create your own setup. CPU mining definitely is an option if you want to get started right away and don't want to invest any money. But also, ASICs are a terrific investment if you're ready to take a chance and don't mind being in the spotlight. And to understand, cloud mining is the right approach if you don't want to deal with rigs or any other form of hardware at all. Mining platforms. There are many mining platforms, and they all have their benefits, but real quick, I'll go over my top 3 quickly so you can check out and know what they are about. ECOS. As a pioneer in the field of cloud mining by being the first one to do it legally, ECOS is a great choice and one of the greatest cloud mining platforms. More than 150,000 people across the world utilize ECOS, which is a full-service investing platform. In addition to cloud mining, it has a wallet, a marketplace, investment portfolios, and a variety of other services. What's also really awesome about ECOS is the platform gives new users 1 month of free cloud mining. STORMGAIN. STORMGAIN is a user-friendly mining platform. One-click mining eliminates the need for any on-site resources. Using STORMGAIN, users can purchase, buy, trade, swap, and mine virtual currencies all in one convenient location. SLUSH pool. When it comes to Bitcoin mining pools, SLUSH pool is the most well-known and reputable option. In addition to mining Bitcoin, users may also mine Zcash and other cryptocurrencies to diversify their holdings. Also, the system uses a 2-step authentication method to safeguard the miner's data. So just keep in mind that you need to know what type of mining you want to do when getting started. And you really have to know how much money you want to invest in the process before you get the results you want as well. Maybe you don't even want to own a rig and want to try cloud mining, but I hope you were able to learn something from this video. Please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to see more ways to make that crypto cash money. Bye for now.